Take this life, make you know they rush, make you know they fear, cause when you fall, you rise again. Mentally, you're moving, almost there, why me feel.
Mitchell, baby, Obia, and Chia, if we keep town South Africa, Eddie Bro, it will add Doom TV so. So the money that an hour to be a made you just say they're not just a meaning penny for a baby more, afa abrabom, a fair juma, a dear beer if I abrabom, dear, yet the home come over the Jenny show so. It's a net and yet strong cook and I say, young one, yet the nipper for a baby sooner, dear, na me know, your former a bar near the abobra. Answer, I made a guest in it, you know. Mammy fast dark as here, and my trade yampon, so we'll cry you more every Ghana at the Aban South Africa near Guswa. It was season 10, you it was Cape Town. And then many open you can see a baby chinkomo. Now, so, Mamma, a both way I see, and your one comment to me about Cape Town and for Jumadi and bro. And your time here about Mr. Or see malaria, dear, where you are time, one time I really know, not the lip tomato paste, I you, Gianni. I forgive us for see and forgive us clean care in CC if you not if you and your kama. Nyadria or see, Yaria Bain. Yaria Bain, unum Nyadria heba Mr. Ebeko Amabibia Ayekama, and Afikunama Entertainment, Adom TV, and I did season 10 of the Jenny TV show, Ebro, or Adom TV so. I mean, Trame home and coaching Kratwo, Namiba, Medapin Pan Eddie, and Kobibia. Yakwajen Kratwa ba oguso ahwede Jenny ewo Adom TV and let me guess no oye chef kese pa o free Ghana yetete no no de ba South Africa ha I now so amaniema bebre e na ekoso na brabom ewo ha say I Mr. Daniel Kwame Gaga Kuma a of free Volta region hey and nya no Cape Town daddy akwaba the Bonnie Gaga Kuma
you call it that in
oh good but you can say Mr. Daniel Kwame Gaga Kuma or your wine.
Oh well, Daniel Kwame Gaga Kuma was born 2nd March 1974.
Okay.
I'm from Chito, Audome, a town in Volta region.
Okay.
And I was born among 11 siblings.
Okay.
From my mother's side and from my father's side, we were 24, if I'm not mistaken. And I've completed secondary school in 1994.
Yeah.
And in secondary school, I was doing the food and nutrition. I studied food and nutrition actually for 6 years.
Okay.
And I started working 1996. Actually, Debbie.
I know.
1996. Yeah. So, in short, the tree I can understand.
And here the Befra.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Adom TV.
Yeah.
You was Yanko.
Okay. So from there, I started working with some restaurants in Accra.
Okay.
Up to the time I started working also with one Italian restaurant. That's where I learned how to make Italian cuisine.
Okay.
So mainly I prepare Italian cuisine. I speak Italian a little bit, write Italian, translate the menu into Italian.
Okay.
And then I came into this country, Cape Town, 2003.
And see, at the end of the Cape Town, because it could be brain where we are see, and then I'll be South Africa, Cape Town.
Okay, that's good. Good question. In actual fact, I don't think of traveling because I love Ghana, and things were going on well with me in Ghana. At that time, I was okay. So I just won the Best Worker Award.
Oh.
And then I got a package to come to Cape Town. And I came to Cape Town. I love the weather. So
you stayed because of weather and
yes, I love the weather.
I don't know what to ho. Say to say here, I'm from
It's not the same.
It's not the same.
It's not the same.
Yeah. I see.
I love it here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And see weather and see do buy.
I stayed in Cape Town just because of the weather.
Wow.
In fact, if you tell me to move to Joburg or any part of this
Victoria.
country, I'll go back to Ghana.
Okay, if you have to leave Cape Town, it means
Then
Ghana.
I'll go and stay in Ghana.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And here with Jenny, you were a big chef. Ostati, yeah, waji award. What about Cape Town? Oba has said na abraboni to say, ofa an easy and ne udidru baby awedri na say ofa mukakra. Fayen fa eno so mukakra.
Okay.
Your journey as a chef in Cape Town.
Okay. At first, I'll tell you it was so easy for me because of my experience.
Okay.
As an Italian chef, a black man in Italian with Italian background, you know.
Okay.
So it was quite easy for me to get job. Even without permit, I started working 2 jobs.
Oh.
Yes, until I never look for job actually. The companies, because of what I do, they.
Like you are good at the OENT.
Yeah.
Now you're easy say utimi enye juma.
That's correct.
Okay.
So all the time, this one picked me from here, go and head my restaurant for me, and I headed, I think 4 or 4 stars hotel in this country.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
So that's where the journey started.
It started.
And see, through that, no, and I would found one dream say, wow, baby, your company, yeah, and the way. Is it true working for people? Nothing who said no. It was just to say, oh yeah, dear man, you're not going to work for anybody. How did that started?
Thank you.
Yeah.
How it started, I'd never dreamed of working for myself.
Oh, okay.
You know, there was a time I had a contract with one Ethiopian restaurant,
Okay.
and after my contract ended, one of my clients, a Nigerian man called Mr. Tony Wagbafo,
Okay.
was having a Nigerian restaurant in Brooklyn. So he called me to say, hey, my brother, can you please come and check this thing for me because my business is struggling. So I went to revive the business for him, and then that's where we finished. When we are done with that contract, what happened was I was about to go on cruise ship liner.
Okay.
And I saw a friend who was chased by the gangsters.
Okay.
He was having a club. His name is also a Nigerian called Decency.
A nightclub
A
here.
nightclub here
Okay.
in Brooklyn. So he confronted me and said he can't do it anymore, so please I should take over. I said okay.
Oh.
That was 8 years ago. I took over his business. He rented a place to me, and I was running it as my own, you know, until I managed to buy the business from him. After 3 years, I ran it and I bought it from him.
Okay.
So from there, I acquired another one here in Peru.
From the first one,
Yes,
you got another one.
in
Meaning the
Peru.
business was good.
It's still good.
Oh.
It's still doing well.
Oh, I see.
Yes. Actually,
Nice and sunny again is come.
baby.
Hey, make
Scowl.
a Ghana matuo.
Yeah. There's money.
Okay.
But you need a very strong heart to run this kind of business here, especially with the gangsters. And
Okay.
and the people who drink alcohol, they don't behave
Well, when the alcohol
normal. Yeah.
gets into the system.
Yeah, so you have to be very careful,
Tough.
hard and tough, and really know how to handle human being.
Yakwaje nkratso aba aha eye the journey ewo Adum TV na me carry is season 10 no ye was South Africa Cape Town and na ye twetwe enkomo mojuma mu ye mu find a lot of threats ni niama cause aha ye hu pa me ba ye metika mu kwa me hwehwehwe ma ha ade ye ma hwe about 20s we hu it's not that kind of as a kro ni mu ye du crime not at all so and you being a nightclub owner restaurant and other things you know who faces niama no.
Yeah, a lot. I can even tell you I got robbed on gunpoint, I think 2 months ago. And thank God I'm still alive. You know, this country with the crime level, we can't talk
high.
about it now. It's quite
Wow.
high. So people must be very careful when you
Out
go
there.
out. Yeah. Anytime you're out there, it's only God
That
that
protects.
protects everybody, you know.
So say mo nyina we say mo ba be ka ha sika ni nyina ka ha. Do you have this vision of going back to your roots? To have a restaurant or a nightclub or doing something in a way that you want to also give back to society, in a way of employing other people to work for you because of what you do? You have a lot of branches, so do you have it in mind? Oh, obesia ko Ghana ko bie bibi ama wo ho for so ana wondre ho.
Definitely. You know, when we travel, we somebody like me, I don't travel to come and stay
Just
outside Ghana without
okay.
going back to Ghana.
Okay.
I've been going to Ghana every 3 months, 6 months, you know.
So you're not like the 11 years people
No,
here.
no, no, no,
The
no.
ones that I met here.
No, I can never do that.
It's 3 months, 3 months.
Either 3 months or
Next
6
week,
months.
okay.
Actually, after the COVID, I started this 6 months thing.
Did COVID help you? Because someone came here and said COVID should come back again. Is COVID good or
That
bad?
is evil, I will say. COVID was evil. As a business person who trades with alcohol, I would say yes.
Okay.
But nobody in this world wants to be in that kind of situation.
Good.
I made some money
Okay.
because you know, it was illegal to sell alcohol. So if you manage to sell few alcohols,
Any
you can,
price, you better talk.
you can call your price and people will come for it.
Okay.
So for me, I would say yes, I make some money, but it's not a good experience.
It's not good experience. Okay. And see now no what do you have for more eba was sitting na ma ye ba personal ka na mo jafie na mako e ya mo ba mo yire na mo ne mo de mo ba na na mo girls mo jom be febua.
To be honest with you, I was 28 years when I came to this country.
Okay, so you were not married?
No.
But you had a girlfriend?
I had a girlfriend.
But you left her.
A very serious girlfriend.
And you left her.
No, she disappointed me. Yeah. so you know, it's not always about the men.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes some women cannot also take the nonsense.
Okay, so how is Broken Hearts? Quickly, young film. How is Broken Hearts? Is it nice?
With my experience, I must be honest with you. In relationship, I use my brain, not my heart. So my heart never got broken.
Oh, then there was nothing serious.
No.
Because
you
if
know,
it is serious, at least there's 1 or 2 things that you get hurt. So if you didn't get hurt, it means there was nothing serious. It was just a dating. There was nothing serious. You had no future for it.
You know, before you stay in relationship and be serious, then you better get married and get that serious. Because to avoid relationship, for me, personally, I studied from other people's broken heart, and I don't want to have
and then you graduated from it.
Yes.
So you were a guy in broken hearts.
That's correct.
Correct for 100 points. Oh, that's great. And see, Moa has said, not just said, oh, join the association be send a treaty to Ghanaians here. Yeah, they be almost say, let's support our own. So Ghana ni big jaw sport war. Ako different foreign and ako third. Is it happening here? Because Ghana the backbiting, the pulling down and all that. Are you facing that in South Africa here?
Yes, I will say that one thing is that, you know, it's very difficult for me to go out to make friends. So before, yourself. I don't know much Ghanaians.
Okay.
It's now that I'm getting
to know them
to know 1 or 2, 3 of them.
Also, you look like Nigerian, Mom.
Really? Yeah, actually, the Nigerians too, they make some mistakes sometimes. They always take me for one of their own. And I'm not a Nigerian. I'm a Ghanaian.
You're a Ghanaian, proud Ghanaian. Oh, we're happy to have you here. And see, obi oha o fie oni meduane no pa. What will you tell that person to do? Say on master na onye ni ye because and the true oye chef a oba ha and ya jiwa tuma a link to different businesses and success and other things. It's whatever you know how to do no you are the best and it's betting me the West baby me pese unto the people out there watching us right now from Cape Town obu adie onim bibi ye na odi agro. What will you say about it, especially obi or what will feel no as a chef or obi or no aduane then now beka?
Thank you. About that, always, not only my field. As a human being, we have responsibilities. Yeah. And if you don't know your responsibilities, then you don't know the kind of house you're coming from. You know, some of us we forgot quickly that we are coming from poor homes, and once like we see the light, exactly. Yeah. We see a little bit of green light, we think, oh no, we got it all. It never ends until the last person around you is also like you. It never ends. And so hard work, humbleness, honesty, and focus.
Hard work, humbleness, honesty, and focus. Edumade ahobrasiye nokredie and so be koswa to so ayede we oseniema for we and na ebitim do wadu baby I would do yet as a pass oba ye ni ajipa kwa we say me this one the see hampesi ba so kwan wa manya kilos such a way day
flag
nti o da bia wo hu say o ye den ka hakra oko wechi.
I love it.
Thank you so much. And then we have this for you. The Jenny Dear Obaswayama of Flower showing that we love and appreciate you so much for coming. So this is also for you.
Thank you.
I have this to say thank you so much for being on my show.
Wow. Thank you. I love it.
So thank you for coming.
Thanks so much. Thank you.
Aha, and I bring my yadima DNS in Ansana. Yet query, you know. Mida obi ya sister na watch be a oji bring na Adom TV. Kwesi de 30 dia. Baby a who na yeshi na ye de Adom TV obia ehwe the journey nyame ensure asida enkoma aboa for Thomas all the way from season 1 to season 10. It's quite a journey to nyame ensure mo nyina afei Adom TV yeda mo ase dodo yesi the fruit ya pa ye pianampa yeda mo ase kan woni ye free all the way from Ghana to Cape Town ne mpanyifo mo free Ghana abetwetwe enkomo ewa ha sei hwe ye nyame ensure also be catch obi am also about be share nyame ensure obi ya madam aboa for us time about Mr. Leaf tomato paste your herbal Mr. give us care kunama entertain in Adom TV and yen nyina ye kabo season 10 all the way town Edebro nyame ensure at the Abena Ghana asemba ko ena dabia me catcho missing nyame wo ma ebeye ye macro.